This one is a 1949 Smith Corona Sterling. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. One of my favorite machines. It's got a classic look and it is just well made. It's very smooth to type with. Type with it all day long. To set the margins, you just move these back here. That's the right side and the left side. I like to put them at the beginning and the end of the page, and this is a little paper tray. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I was able to fit all of the keys on one line because this has Elite typeface, which prints 12 characters per inch. So the print's a little smaller and allows you to type more words on a page. Once you hear that bell ding, you're at the end of the margin, and eventually it's going to stop you from typing. I think I got that last word in there, the last letter in there. And it wouldn't have let me type any further, but if I needed to finish something at the end, I would hit this button. Margin release is MR. You hit that, and then it will allow you to keep typing past that margin all the way to the end of the platen if you want to. This is the line space, so once you hear the bell, you usually hit that, get you back to the beginning, and it skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we're on single space, but if you want double or triple, you just flip this back. That's your double. This is your triple. We're going to keep it on single for now and type a sentence in red on the next line. To switch to red, you just flip this switch down all the way and it'll start hitting the bottom portion of the ribbon. Types very nice, print's really nice. Let's show you a close-up of the print. Like I said, it's one of my favorite models. You can't really go wrong with this. If you're in the market for a typewriter, you really have to go with these vintage typewriters. They were made in America. Back in this time, America made some of the best machinery. If you buy something brand new, it's most likely made in China, and it will jam up on you and it will break. This will last forever, and it works way better than the new ones. Everything's made with steel and metal, just made to last forever if you take care of it. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. It's got a backspace on the top left here. That works good. It's got a shift on each side with a shift lock. This little upper area on the left will shift lock it, and to clear it, you just hit the button again. It's got a tab function to set the tabs. There's little inserts back here, and you can put them anywhere on this little bar. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one's backwards. And I'll show you how it works. It'll stop at each one of those tabs when you hit the tab button. And I'll show you from the front. The tab button's right here. It'll just stop at each one of those. And that works good. Open the hood. We got a touch control right here. Low and high resistance. So that loads a spring under it. When you're on low, you don't have to hit the keys as hard. When you're on high, you got to hit them a little harder and it springs back faster. This above the backspace is a ribbon direction control or ribbon reverse control. Right now we want it pulling to the right because all the brand new ribbon is here on the left. So to switch the direction, you just flip it up and it will now pull to this side. Flip it down and it's pulling to that side. That's how we want it. It's got a carriage release on each side. Little lever that allows you to control the carriage. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.